Today is February 10th, 2026, and here is the news that you can use. This is the Exchange Daily, providing the 5 minutes that secure your 24 hours. Because in today's fast-paced world, guesswork isn't a strategy. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency has issued Binding Operational Directive 2602. This directive is a high-stakes pivot for federal IT, mandating the rip and replace or immediate hardening of edge devices across the federal enterprise. CISA reports a sharp increase in sophisticated actors targeting unmanaged edge hardware. For the private sector, this is a clear signal. Your edge is your weakest link. If you aren't auditing your network perimeter today, you're already behind the threat curve. Gartner is projecting that global spending on sovereign cloud infrastructure will hit $80 billion by the end of this year. As data residency laws tighten across EMEA and Asia, the one-cloud-fits-all model is officially dead. For CIOs and CFOs, this means cloud budgets must now account for higher-cost, localized infrastructure to maintain compliance. The link to secure your 24 hours is go.matora.solutions/theexchange. Fortinet has issued a critical advisory for FortiClientEMS, tracked as CVE 2026-21-643. This is a high-severity SQL injection vulnerability with a CVSS score of 9.1. It allows an unauthenticated attacker to execute unauthorized code via specifically crafted HTTP requests. There are no workarounds. If you're running version 7.4.4, you must upgrade to 7.4.5 or newer immediately. Cisco is also urging immediate action on a high-severity path traversal vulnerability in its TelePresence management suite. The flaw, CVE 2025-58360, could allow a remote attacker to access sensitive system files. While it requires authentication, the risk of lateral movement after an initial compromise is high. Patch your management interfaces today to prevent your video infrastructure from becoming a gateway for attackers. New data from the Public Sector AI Adoption Index shows a startling gap between enthusiasm and execution. While 70% of public sector employees are now using generative AI tools, only 18% report high effectiveness in their actual missions. This indicates that while the shadow AI phase is over, the strategic implementation phase is failing. Leadership must pivot from providing access to providing structured workflows and specialized training. Finally, the Department of Energy is officially piloting Elon Musk's Grok artificial intelligence tool. The pilot, which includes Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, marks a significant shift in federal AI procurement, moving toward non-traditional frontier models for research and inventory management. This highlights a growing trend of model agnosticism in the federal space, as agencies prioritize raw performance and real-time data access over legacy vendor relationships. That's the exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you tomorrow for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. If you're interested in how this newscast is created or want more information about how to be a part of it, contact podcasts at matorasolutions.com. That's podcasts with an S at matorasolutions.com. All information is from publicly available sources. The Exchange Daily is a production of Matora Solutions LLC, a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC 2026.